This is a 60-second grand finale for that Samsung S7 screen repair. Bam! Boink. Bam! Thermal air circulator. Bam! Open it like a mystery. Bam! It's time to make history. Bam! Wipe off all the applesauce. Bam! Pull this back out of the trash. Almost forgot the earpiece filter. Bam! Back in you go. You bad screen. Bad screen. Bam! Time to bring out the big bad B7000. There you go. A little bit at a time. Be gentle, be gentle. Give it a nice consistent coat all the way through. Bam! PhoneDoctor wants to thank you too. Bam! Bam! What did you say? Bam! And we're almost there, guys.